Good morning, guys. So today is Monday. Still out of food, but who cares? So Jackson, this is Jackson's. Yes, Jackson. Jackson's gonna have a boiled egg, and I'm gonna roll up these chicken nuggets or chicken strips. I'm gonna roll them up in this foil paper and put it in here. Cover that up. He's gonna have a plum, a Nature Valley granola bar. He has a Go-Gurt back there, his juice, and Fruit Loops. So that's it for today. It's very simple. And then Destiny, and his mac and cheese in his thermos. Hopefully this boy eats his food because he's been wasting my money. Destiny's having what is this, peach? Is it a peach? Yeah. I don't know. I don't know my fruits. Go-Gurt, I will learn. Mac and cheese, Capri, roaring water, chicken strips. No, those are strips. Yeah. Granola bar, a mini gusher, and a boiled egg. Jesus. Alright, so I'll see you guys after school. So the missing lunchbox from Friday has been found. And I didn't eat that from Friday. Ew, that is so gross. That is so gross, but I'm happy that my container is back.
I just saw it right there.
So, ew, this is disgusting. Oh my gosh, this smells horrible. I don't even know what was in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, alright, this needs to be washed. This is dirt. This is not good. Alright, so today is Monday afternoon. Miss Destiny did not eat this, and it got squishy in the bag. Now I have to wash this. Why is she so messy? Whatever was in here is gone. And her mac and cheese container is empty. So she did really well. Good job, Destiny. Mr. Jackson, on the other hand, is this is Dad's lunchbox. So let's see what he ate. He didn't eat his plum. I'm gonna stop sending my fruit to school with these kids because.
Destiny, don't leave your shoes there.
Hold on. Okay, so he didn't eat. Huh? Oh gosh. He didn't touch his chicken thing. He didn't touch the egg at all.
You got a problem with him?
What? No. They don't think he's never going to do it. He's not going to do it. Oh, you can.
He didn't eat his mac and cheese. Little rascal. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday, and yes, I went grocery shopping, so the kids have food. So Mr. Jackson, I gave him peanut butter because that's the only thing he will eat. And I got this for Destiny, but it's too small. So Mr. Jackson is going to, he said he doesn't mind purple, but we shall see. I got him peanut butter, and it's just in a little shape right here. No jelly because he doesn't like jelly, so yeah. And then over here I got him a couple pieces of crackers, you know, just in case he doesn't want to eat, you know, just variety for him to choose from. So he got 4 crackers. This is string cheese, but it couldn't fit here, so I just cut it up, and I opened the package because it's Aldi string cheese, and that was a struggle to open, so I just opened it for him. He has some grapes here. This is vanilla Greek yogurt with granola. He has some sugar snap peas here, and he's gonna have just a cracker and cheese for snack. And he's gonna have a juicy juice splashers in a tropical, what is this, tropical twist. He seems to like that. And then I got his water container, so yeah, he's gonna have water today. I'm happy. Yay. Little things in life that makes me happy. Miss Destiny's having banana peanut butter on tortilla roll up, and I just cut them up for her and just gave her a little pick to eat with. and she's gonna have a string cheese. I opened it for her. Even though she's older, I'm pretty sure she would struggle because I struggled to open it. She's gonna have a peanut butter cracker for snack, and I love these because they're so tiny. Look at how tiny those are. She's gonna have some yogurt covered pretzel and sugar snap pea, vanilla Greek yogurt. Sorry. Vanilla Greek yogurt with granola. Vanilla Greek yogurt with granola. I felt like I was saying the same thing over and over again. And she's gonna have sugar snap pea, and she's having the same drink as her brother. I don't know where her water bottle is, but yeah. So I'll see you guys after school. Okay, so it is Tuesday afternoon. Whatever was here is gone. I think it was a cracker and a juice box. Let's see how she did. Alright. Oh man, Destiny. Why didn't you eat your yogurt?
I ate half.
Give me some. You didn't eat half. That's a whole thing of yogurt still there. You had, what was in here?
The yogurt covered
Pretzel. I don't know, whatever that was, she ate it. She had a good amount. She had the cheese. I wouldn't say good job because you did not. All right, Jackson, how did you do? So he had a cracker, a juice, I think. Oh my gosh, high five, buddy. Didn't eat your yogurt though.
I like it.
You don't like yogurt? Okay, I won't give it to you.
How's it?
And you had one cracker?
Yeah.
All right, good job. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday. So, excuse me, Madison. All right, so Mr. Jackson, let's get this out the way. So he's gonna have 100% juice. I got these from Aldi's, and the sugar on here is 6 grams. 6 grams of sugar. So, you know, hopefully he likes it. And then I got this from Aldi's as well. It's just a chewy dip peanut butter kind of thingamajigga. So he's gonna have that for snack. And then of course he has his water. Okay, so for lunch I got him, hold on, so this is what I picked up at the grocery store. These are mini naan, and it was on clearance. What's the matter, girl? Shh. So that's what they're having. Could you stop the noise? Oh Lord, excuse that little one down there. So under here it's just turkey, mayo, and cheese, and I put the mayo in between the turkey and the cheese so it doesn't get soggy. He's gonna have some covered yogurt covered pretzel. He has one strawberry over here. He's gonna have some grapes. I cut them up, and these are peanut butter filled pretzel. Over here his sister's having the same thing, but I cut hers open. I was afraid that he wouldn't be able to manage his cut open, so, and it's really thin and he'll get frustrated and not want to eat it, so I just fold it over. So she's having the same thing, turkey, cheese, yogurt covered pretzel, peanut butter filled pretzel. And you would think that I don't have food. These kids are having different varieties of pretzel, but yeah, whatever. She's having some strawberry here, granola bar, and she's having the same kind of juicy juice fruit punch thing. So I'll see you guys after school. Okay guys, so it's Wednesday after school. Let's see how Mr. Jackson did. So we managed to open that. Oh, okay. Alright, so he ate the strawberry, the grapes, whatever was here, I don't know. Pretzel. He ate a few of those. And he didn't touch his sandwich whatsoever. Yeah, so he had a snack and his juice, and he did good with the water. Good job, Jaxson. Let's see how Miss. Okay, so she had her juice, her snack, and let's get this out of here. Okay. All right, awesome. Okay, so she had her strawberry. What was here? Pretzel, and she picked through that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. So let's start with Jaxson. He's having peanut butter, and I'll tell you guys in a minute why he's having peanut butter. So that's that. He wanted this shape, and he has some peanut butter filled pretzel here. Some these are the snappies. Is it snappies? No, these are the, what is it called? Oh, the green pea crisp. So these are green peas, some strawberry yogurt covered pretzel. So he has 2 of them in there, and this is a string cheese. He's gonna have a what is this, granola bar, cereal bar, his roaring water, and his actual water with water. His actual water container with water. Can't talk today. Maddie just fell down, really. His sister's having something a bit different. Okay, so she's going to have leftovers. So Jaxson don't eat leftovers, and he's 5, so I wanted him to bring food that he would enjoy eating, you know, with his little friends and stuff. So Destiny's having leftover baked beans. These are vegetarian baked beans, some white rice down there, and 2 pieces of chicken strips that I made last night. She's gonna have some what is this, pepper, and she's gonna have it with ranch. She's gonna have it with ranch and some strawberries down there. So that's Miss Destiny. And then in this small little her snack, this is the mini snack yum box. I originally bought it for Maddie. It is so compact for her to put her stuff in, but because Destiny's carrying that, I figured I'd put her snacks in here. So she's having yogurt covered pretzel, same thing as Jaxson, and for a snack she's having one of these little crackers and cheese, and she's having 100% juice fruit punch. So I will see you guys after school. It's after school on Thursday. I'm so tired I could take a nap. This is Miss Destiny. Let's see how she did. This is so hard to open. Oh wow. Oh wow. Awesome. Awesome. I am one happy mommy when containers are empty. Ooh, look at that. Empty, guys. Empty. Empty. This don't feel so empty. God. I don't have anything to say. I don't have anything to say. Wow, just wow. Okay. No wonder the other containers were empty. Okay. Jaxson did okay. He had his pretzel, his bread, his cheese, his fruit. Didn't do so well on this. He did well on that. So good job, Jaxson. And he ate his thing. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, last day. I'm always the happiest. today's a half day, so the kids are gonna have something so easy, and they're gonna come home and have actual lunch. So I figured I would give them something really simple. So let's start with Jaxson, even though it's the same thing. It doesn't matter who I start with. He's gonna have 100% juice in the fruit punch flavor. He's gonna have an Uncrustable, and this is peanut butter and grape jelly sandwich. It's frozen, so hopefully they thaw out by their 12 o'clock lunch, because they come home from school at 1. He's gonna have a peanut butter and cracker cheese. It's a lot of peanut butter going on here today. He's gonna have some pretzel bites with peanut butter and some strawberry, and I can't find his cover, so he's gonna have his sister's cover, which is pink. I switched this container because guess what? If homeboy stuff starts to touch, which this container, I can't find a little piece right here, so the strawberry is going over into his thing. So if you start to touch, he's not gonna eat it. So I put it in this container here, and yeah, so hopefully nothing gets soggy in one. Destiny's having the same thing, but except hers is cheese cracker with peanut butter, Uncrustable, 100% juice, and strawberry and pretzel. So I'll see you guys after school. Oh, your water. Good job, Gio. Good job. My baby filled up his own container of water, so he's gonna have some water here. So I'll see you guys after school. Okay guys, so it's after school on Friday. They had a very short day, and it looks like this child did very well. I don't even have to open it, because yeah, what else was in here? The Uncrustable thing, juice. Yeah, Destiny did well. On to Mr. Jaxson. Let's go, Jaxson. He did. All his water is gone. Good job. Oh Lord. Oh wow. Look at this. You guys need to have. I can't. I need to give you a little bit of lunch. Look at this. Good job, Jaxson. High five. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Oh Lord, look who we have here. Daddy's home. Yay. So thank you guys so much for watching this week of lunches, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.